Alright, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll continue from where we stopped in our previous class. We're going to talk about HTML relative links. Last time we talked about HTML absolute link to other website. Today we'll talk about HTML link within a web page. That's what we call relative link. So let's open our folder with tag web development. And inside it we create a new file. Just say relative.html. That's a new file. We create the document structure. Good. Then we tag our web page relative link. Okay, I'll just give a simple paragraph and I'll teach you how to create this link. Okay, you can put the link. Basically, link and place are the head tag of the HTML document, the head tag between the open and the close of the head tag. So if you want to link to a section of the web page, then you put it on the body. Okay, paragraph. Okay, paragraph and type welcome to God's Favor ICT Center. Your hub for web development. Your hub for web development. Okay. Yeah, I want to just put, okay, basically we'll put it at the head section. Now if you want to create a tag or a link, I mean to say the tag, we use the icon tag to create our link. Out of icon tag start with A, then you open up the icon tag. href means reference, telling us where is this tag located. That's what it means, where it's located. href means hypertext reference. That's what it means. So I want to link it to each of these HTML files that I have here. I have about us and also have content hub or the have first web or the case may be. So okay, let's link about us. Okay, yes, relative. Come back to this page. So we'll type about us.html, just the way we save it on our files, about us.html. And after that we create a blank space. I say as a target equals blank space. Then in the picture we tag about us. Okay, I want to create another link create another link that will take us to another file that we have in our web page. Just Ctrl V instead of putting about us. Now can put our counter, okay, counter app that were created before, counter apps 7. The reason why I put tag here is that when you click on the about us, when you click on the about us, it will open a new web page and display the content of the HTML file. That's okay. Here I'll put content hub, CUNT hub. Just a minute. Hub we have developed a to count, call the content hub as the case may be. So this is example of relative linking in HTML form. It's all about linking web linking the same. It's all about linking HTML files that you have in the same folders and it links to other web page within a website. We call it relative linking, as the case may be. That's a good example of this, of what we are doing tonight. Relative linking, how to link from one web page to another web page within a website, as the case may be. So first and foremost, take notice that everything we are doing here should be inside the same folder. For example, when we turn to the left hand side, this is the folder I have created and target web development. Inside the folder we have all these different HTML files. So I just linked two of them, which is about us and content hub that I've created. Okay, let's just put some image. I put some image img and let's cross to school tonight. Then I'm going to use capture 5. Okay, alternative text we say desktop images. In the case maybe so Ctrl X. Let's go to our folder. Then in desktop we have a folder called web development. Okay, it's web development. Then add this relative. And when we click on it, it will open to display and show the result of the code we just did. Good. Wow, this is what we just did. Welcome to Gospel ICT Center, your sure hub for web development. Okay, this is the image we just added to it, a desktop image. And when you click up about us here, so we'll take a new page. Gospel ICT is a place where you learn how to build a website from scratch or from bit to bit. Come back to this page, click about counter app, to direct us to the mini mobile app, counter app or digital counter that we created. This is a complete design for a mini counter app for when we go deep into CSS and JavaScript, I'll teach you how to build something like this, that the case may be. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this. Have a nice day. Thank you.